Madam President, it's not me who should be addressing you right now. It should be Oriol Junqueras, elected MEP and one of the Catalan political prisoners shamefully behind bars for now almost 3 years. Yes, here Europe must deliver too, because this injustice is a stain not only for Spain but for the whole of Europe. So help them and the exiles be back home, and demand the Spanish government that once and for all be brave and negotiate a solution for Catalonia based on respect and real democracy. It's so important that this time the EU, contrary to the 2008 crisis, stands by its citizens, that the EU shows it's useful for fighting a pandemic, for helping the economies recover, for taking care of people and business most affected by the crisis, and useful for transforming these economies into greener and fairer ones.